YouTube? It's your man James. Today we're going to unbox the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let's get it. Let's go ahead and power it up and see what we got. So I had the opportunity to hold one of these in my hand about a week ago. I had some family in town and I was just absolutely impressed with the build quality. And when the opportunity to acquire one for Black Friday for a good price came along, I couldn't help but go ahead and hop on that opportunity. After a couple of minutes of holding the phone, setting up my information, I can tell you right now, I'm probably going to end up keeping this phone. So I went ahead and put the screen protector and the lens protector on. I did also go with the Unicorn Beetle Pro case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This one does not have the built-in screen protector. I have that attachment. I don't know if we're getting this. I don't know if we're in focus or not. I have that attachment somewhere put away. And you see we've got our outer material here. We got our camera lens protector right there. And right off of the bat, the smoothness of the phone is absolutely incredible. OnePlus 12, let me check the date. It's December the 4th. It's a Monday as I'm shooting this right now. So that means the OnePlus 12 is actually dropping tomorrow. Now, I don't know, between editing this video and whatnot, it might be a little bit later when y'all see this video. But what else? We got the Vivo X100, X100 Pro Fight Snapdragon 3 Dominance. That sounds pretty tight. But yeah, just the scrolling on the phone feels absolutely incredible. And now that I got a case, tempered glass screen protector, and a camera lens protector on the phone, I feel really empowered to go out and use this hard every day for my day-to-day activities, for my work, for my business, for my personal, and just see what type of experience I get using the top-of-the-line flagship Android phone as my day-to-day driver. Now, I did get the space unlock is crazy. I did get my fingerprint set up. I want to make sure we're capturing that on the C-roll. I got fucking face unlock. All right, so let me try not to look at it. And you see, we got that right fingerprint good, but I was having some problems with the left one. Of course, I'm doing it now live. I ain't gonna have no problem. Tempered glass screen protector. Feel real good about that. Let's slide over to YouTube real quick, see what we got. We got an 8-year-old Flossie Carter video. What my Hawks doing? Probably losing. A little bit of backstory. Daily driving this phone, the LG V60, as long as I did. One thing I missed when I briefly switched to that OnePlus 10 Pro that's over here filming my C-roll was having a fat phone. And real quick, while we're talking about it, I do want to talk about the unboxing experience. Now, I don't know about y'all. I did not pay $1,200 for the phone. I scooped this up on Black Friday for a cool $8.99. But when I'm dropping big bucks, I want to get a big experience when I unbox it. This is the OnePlus 10 Pro box. Look at that thing. You know that thing fat in the back. Check it out. The thing fat in the back, right? Charger in the box. Sticker, screen cover. OTG. I mean, now granted, I didn't pay $900 or $1,000 or whatever the hell they charged for this phone when it came out. I caught this phone for about $550 a few months back, and this phone has been my daily driver. That is one thing that was really disappointing about the unboxing experience. All that to basically say, all these phones that I've been rocking over the last 4, 5, 6, 7 years, they all came with a charger in the box. This is actually my first Galaxy phone in a number of years. I mean, we're talking Galaxy S9, S8. We're talking way back in the day, old school Android Galaxy experience. And in all honesty, Samsung has come a long way since then. One thing I want to make sure that we catch on the camera, the case. Okay. Durability. How important is your investment? I'm looking at the OS. I've got all my apps loaded. I've logged into most of my apps that I'm going to use on a day-to-day basis. And one thing that I do want to mention, I'm really looking forward to using this phone on a day-to-day, driving it hard, and seeing what kind of experience that I get. Because I can tell you right now, It's been time to retire that LG V60 for a while, and in all honesty, the OnePlus 10 Pro, while a decent phone for what I paid for it, I do need a little bit more out of my day-to-day phone. I'm going to make another video about that where we'll get into some of my issues that I ran into as far as making the OnePlus 10 Pro my day-to-day phone. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get up out of here. Appreciate y'all rocking with me. Hope y'all have a good one, and I'll catch y'all on the next video. Later.